Hello dear students, I am Bindi Desai from Saraswat International Academy, and dear students, we will be learning general knowledge of 7th English Medium, Chapter 3, Boundaries and Locations, Part 1. Students, boundaries and locations, this chapter is related according to the geographical location on the maps. We will be learning many things like straits, like Greenwich Maritime, also about different types of islands and oceans, about different lines, students. So the chapter name boundaries, what does it mean? Boundaries are the area which ends and another area begins, or a point or limit where two things become different. Boundary we can say about India and China, is it? India and Pakistan, example I am telling. So there are the boundary line. Location means we all go for traveling, is it? We use that Google map. From that we can come to know about the location, east, west, about the directions, is it? So location means where the place is located at different places on the maps. So let's start, students, the fill in the blanks. First one, boundaries and locations. First one, the largest island in the Indian Ocean is? The answer is Madagascar. Students, Madagascar is the 4th largest island in the world and is the largest island in the Indian Ocean. Second one, Rameshwaram and Telangana are connected by Adams Bridge. This is also known as Ram Setu, students. What it is known as? The connection between Rameshwaram and Telangana. They are connected between which bridge? The name is Adams Bridge. Students, see, Rameshwaram on the left side and Telangana on the right side, and in between it is a Adams Bridge. Gulf of Mannar is on the left side of it, and Palk Bay. Dhanushkodi, can you see a line passing through it? Adams Bridge. What is that known as? Adams Bridge between Rameshwaram and Telangana. Third one, the region in the Pacific coast prone of 2 volcanic eruptions is called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Students, prone means what? Experience something unpleasant. So the volcanic eruption, we all know how the volcanoes lava comes out from the volcano. So the region in the Pacific coast, they are prone, they experience unpleasant volcanic eruption, and what is that known as? Pacific Ring of Fire. Fourth one, the international boundary between India and Pakistan is demarcated by the Radcliffe Line. Here, can you see red line? Here symbol is also given. Radcliffe Line 1947. How the red line is showing, is it? What is that? It is between India and Pakistan. So what is that? It is the international boundary between India and Pakistan, which is demarcated with the help of Radcliffe, Radcliffe. This is what? Radcliffe Line. Fifth one, the strait connecting the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal is known as Palk Strait. Sixth one, the strait between the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. So strait means how they are being connected. So what? Between the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico is the Strait of Florida. Seventh one, the country between India and China, it is demarcated by McMahon Line. MC MAHON, McMahon line. So this is the boundary between India and China. Next one, the largest archipelago in the world is Indonesia. Ninth one, the time on the 0-degree meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time. This we have learned in the geography also, students. Is it Greenwich Mean Time? It is the time on the 0-degree meridian. 10th one, England, Northern Ireland, Scotland and Wales together form the UK, that is United Kingdom. Next, the Gulf of Mannar is located in the Sri Lanka. Right now I showed you about the Adams picture. Is it? Gulf of Mannar was also situated. Gulf of Mannar, can you see it is situated in which country? In Sri Lanka. The Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean are linked by the Panama Canal. Next, Diego Garcia is situated in our Indian Ocean. The Diego Garcia. Next, 15th, South America is a triangular continent which tapers towards the south, terminating at Cape Horn, not Cape Town. It's Cape Horn, Horn. Next one, the Central Andes branch out into two ranges which are separated by the high plateaus in Peru and Bolivia called the Altiplano. Students, Bolivia is a heart of South America, students. And Peru is located in the western South America. I repeat again, the plateau in Peru. Peru is located in the western South America, students. And Bolivia is in the heart of South America. And there are two ranges which are separated by high plateau. What is that called? That is called Altiplano. Next one, the largest island landmass formed by two continents lying side by side, that is known as Eurasia. I repeat again, students, the largest landmass forms by the two countries lying side by side, that is known as Eurasia. Next one, the tropical island of Caribbean Sea. They are collectively known as West Indies. West Indies. Here the answers are also given. Here few pictures are also given a puzzle form. So make sure you write all this in your notebook one time and in the textbook also.